So John can bake 3 cakes in a day. Listen carefully. This is a very important question. A lot of people do not know how to do, but it's very simple only. Just listen to me. So every day, John can bake 3 cakes. As for Peter, every day, he can bake 5 cakes. John started baking 4 days earlier than Peter. Okay, imagine Peter doing nothing. John started baking for 4 days. And that 4 days, Peter is doing nothing. So during the 4 days, John would have baked 12 cakes. And Peter, when Peter started doing, Peter had 0. Correct? So after 4 days, John would have 12 more cakes than Peter. Okay? When Peter started doing, John would have 12 more cakes than Peter. But the question is asking, how many days will Peter be able to bake 4 more cakes than John? So it started off, when Peter started baking, right? John has more than him. But at the end, he has more than John by 4. Got it? So in order for Peter to have 4 more than John, what must Peter do? Peter must bake extra, right? By how much? In total, Peter must bake extra by, first, he must bake extra by 12. Not good enough. If Peter make 12 extra, he only equal the number of cakes John made. So Peter need to make, in order to be 4 more than John, Peter need to bake 12 extra plus 4 more. So Peter need to bake 16 more cakes than John in order to have 4 more cakes than John. Understand? Any question? This concept you must understand this concept. If not, I cannot continue. Okay? In order for Peter to bake 4 more than John, Peter first need to bake extra 12. But that's not good enough, because when he bake extra 12, he only equal with John. To be 4 more, he need to add another bake extra 4 more on top of the extra 12. Altogether, Peter need to bake 16 more cupcakes than John. Okay? Now, in order to achieve 16 more cupcakes than John, how many days will Peter need? Okay? Every day, Peter can only bake how many more than John? 5 minus 3. Every day, Peter can only bake 2 more cupcakes than John. No, 2 more cakes than John. In order to bake 16 more than John, you divide. Peter will need 8 days. And that's the answer. Okay? Any question? You need to understand this reasoning. Otherwise, you will never be able to solve a question like this.